You're done?
No.
Push forward. Come towards me.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Keep pushing forward. You're putting the brakes on.
Yeah,
There you go. Keep going. Keep doing what you just did.
Yeah,
Keep going.
can.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Well, I can't is not allowed in this world. Come on. Go forward. I guess we're going to have to put the bike away until you can ride it better. Until you're bigger.
No.
Yes.